that. So this is the setup for the Yorkville Exotic Car Show. It's like 8 something in the morning before it opens. We got an NSX. That is cool. Look at that. Look at that Lamborghini. There we got the first one I've ever seen. KTM crossbow. Look at that. Now that is cool. So this is a Bugatti from a little car company. Really cool. Here's a Lamborghini Countach. This one was at the Canadian International Auto Show a few months ago on Media Day. This is something I've never seen in person yet. Look at that. Pininfarina Battista Nino edition. So as a Hot Wheels car, I have this one in blue, but I've never seen the real car. That is nuts. Look at that. Here we got a Rimac. First one I've ever seen. That is wild. Here we got a Bugatti Chiron. So to my count, this is Bugatti Chiron number 15 that I've seen. I really like that. $3.79 million. Look how beautiful that is. I love Blue Coast dust. This is just nice. And here we got a Koenigsegg Regera. 2.999 mil, so $3 million. Look at that, the carbon fiber wheels. This car is insane. Look at this list of cars here. All lined up. That is just nuts.